How to fix Instagram Reels not showing up. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how you can fix if the Instagram Reels isn't showing up on your Instagram app. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, then do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now first of all, let me just show you what the issue is. If I go ahead and open the Instagram app, and let's say you want to watch some Reels, but you can see there isn't a dedicated button within the Instagram app where I can go ahead and simply watch Reels. However, let's say that if you want to post a Reel, what you can do is tap on the plus button at the bottom of the screen, and you could go ahead and simply post a Reel even if you don't have the Reels button right over here. But let's say that you do want to enable the Reels feature. In that case, what you could do is you could simply go ahead and open your Play Store, and in the search box you want to type in Instagram. Once you type in Instagram, if you see an update button there right next to Instagram, you could go ahead and simply either download or update the Instagram app to the latest version. Once you've updated, open Instagram app and then simply check whether your issue has been fixed or not. If not, then the other thing this could likely be is because Instagram Reels is only limited to some countries. So if you're on a country or a region where Instagram Reels is not available, you need to simply wait until Instagram makes it totally global. The other thing I can show, or the alternative solution which I can show you, is that let's say you're not being able to find the Reels option, but if you want to watch Reels, what you can do is you can simply go ahead and locate any of the Reels over here, for example. So let me just go ahead and select any of the Reels. As you can see, this is a Reel. As you can see on the top left hand side, it says Reel. If you want to browse through more Reels, what you could do is simply swipe up from that particular Reel, and you'll be granted with more Reels option and more Reels content to choose from. So as you can see, if I keep swiping up and down, you'll be able to see more of these contents over here. This is simply the way to work around it. Even if you don't have the Reels button on within your Instagram app, you could go ahead and simply watch Reels by locating one of those and then browsing through it just like TikTok. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.